When we animate on update, what we want is for all of the bars that we've created to animate up. So what's going to happen is we're going to be updating the X. And this is kind of what I mentioned earlier about how with the animations, we're going to see the shuffling of those bars from the old data array to the new data array. So for the updating bars, we're going to animate to their new positions with the X position. And finally, for any bars that are exiting and are going to be removed, we should animate them back down. And so again, we're going to be setting the Y and height attributes. If we're working in like a index HTML file, or if we're building something out in our local dev environment, this is how we'll most likely do the updating, where we put our update code into a function and we call it from outside. And the end result should look something like this. And so if you notice, this bar just animated from over here to over here, because in state A, it was probably second or third index in the array, and now it is that looks like it's the 6th element in the array. And so if you keep doing that, this is what our code, what our end result should look like. Way with dot join, and the hint is that because we're going to have to animate specific enter and exit selections, that we want to use dot join and kind of pass in those 3 functions to get the effect that we want.